Thank you for having me. So what FedTech does is we recruit wonderful entrepreneurs and we pair them with cutting-edge technology sourced from federal or national labs or universities, and we support them to launch and grow ventures in areas that solve some of the toughest problems that we're dealing with these days. The program that we're launching with Mass CEC is called the Massachusetts ClimateTech Studio, and the idea here is to be able to start new companies, new startups that are going to be able to help Massachusetts reach its decarbonization goals. So the idea is to be able to take technology in the form of IP, intellectual property, either from universities within Massachusetts or potentially national and federal labs outside of Massachusetts. And what we are doing is it's a great opportunity for people who either are serial entrepreneurs or would like to try entrepreneurship themselves. And it's a great opportunity. They get matched with this IP, this technology that has been vetted by our tech partnerships team. So they spend a lot of time doing their due diligence, looking at this technology and making sure that it fits within the goals of Mass CEC. And we put together teams of entrepreneurs. So we recruit people who have different backgrounds. We're looking for people who have some kind of a technical background, could be engineering or science. We look for people who have a business background. We also look for people who might have a creative background or interest in marketing and communications. And we put them together into teams of 3, and they get to take a look at the technology that's available in the studio and rank order their choices, and most people get one of their top 3 choices for the technology. And then the really fun part starts. We call it a studio, and the programming is in 2 phases. And the entrepreneurs will be given stipends to participate. The programming is primarily on evenings and weekends. And is hybrid or virtual. Some of it may be in Massachusetts, since this is a studio for Massachusetts Clean Energy and ClimateTech. And the first phase of programming is about figuring out, doing a lot of customer discovery, figuring out, is there product market fit, is there a possibility to create a company, a viable company, and a product that people want to buy. That's phase 1, and phase 2 is about launching the company, incorporating it, negotiating a license for the IP to continue the development of the technology, and locating sources or leveraging sources of non-dilutive funding if more research and development needs to happen, and basically to make sure that the companies are investable and are ready to launch.